Everyone wants financial freedom. It's a universal dream, a vision of waking up each day without the weight of financial stress. Imagine a life where your mornings are filled with excitement and possibilities, not anxiety over bills and expenses. I'm talking about the kind of freedom where you wake up excited, not stressed about bills. Picture yourself smiling as you see your financial worries fly away, replaced by a sense of security and joy. Cryptocurrency made that dream a reality for me. It opened doors I never thought possible, transforming my financial landscape in ways I couldn't have imagined. I'm making $800 a day, consistently. Yes, you heard that right. $800 every single day. It's not a fluke. It's a result of understanding and leveraging the power of crypto. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's not about overnight success or magical windfalls. It's about real, sustainable growth. This is about strategy, discipline, and understanding the game. It's about making informed decisions, staying disciplined, and playing the long game. For years, I watched from the sidelines. I observed, I learned, and I waited for the right moment. Crypto seemed like a mysterious world full of confusing jargon and risky bets. It was intimidating, a realm that seemed reserved for the tech-savvy and the brave. But I knew there was potential. I saw the opportunities hidden beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered. So I took a leap of faith. I decided to dive in, to explore this new frontier despite the risks. I started small, educating myself, and most importantly, developing a strategy. I read books, studied charts, and slowly built a plan that worked for me. My journey wasn't always easy. There were setbacks, moments of frustration, and times when I questioned my decisions. There were losses, moments of doubt, and the constant temptation to chase hype. The allure of quick gains was always there, but I resisted. But I stuck to my plan, and it paid off. Consistency and patience became my allies, guiding me through the ups and downs. Today, I'm sharing my story to show you that you can achieve this too. If I can do it, so can you. It's about taking that first step and believing in your potential. It's time to turn your crypto dreams into reality. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Start today and watch your dreams unfold. Like many of you, I started with zero crypto knowledge. I had no idea what I was getting into, and the world of cryptocurrency seemed like an impenetrable fortress. Words like blockchain and DeFi sounded like a foreign language. It was overwhelming, and I often felt lost in a sea of jargon and technical terms. But I was determined to learn. I devoured every article, watched countless tutorials, and even attended online webinars. I spent hours each day immersing myself in the world of crypto, trying to make sense of it all. My first investments were small and cautious. I didn't want to risk too much too soon, so I started with just a few dollars here and there. I wanted to get a feel for the market, understand how prices moved, and most importantly, learn from my mistakes. I kept a detailed journal of my trades, noting what worked and what didn't. I quickly realized that chasing the latest hot coin wouldn't cut it. It was a recipe for disaster, and I needed a more disciplined approach. I needed a system, a proven strategy to navigate the volatile world of crypto. I began to study successful traders and their methods, looking for patterns and strategies that I could adopt. That's when I discovered the power of technical analysis, risk management, and diversification. These concepts were game changers for me, providing a structured approach to trading. These three pillars became the foundation of my crypto trading strategy, the very same strategy that now generates consistent daily profits. They gave me the confidence to make informed decisions and stay calm during market fluctuations. Remember, success in crypto isn't about luck. It's about education, strategy, and a little bit of guts. It's a journey of continuous learning and adaptation, and with the right mindset, anyone can succeed. My strategy boils down to three key principles: timing, diversification, and calculated risk. These principles are the foundation of my investment approach and have guided me through the volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. Let's break them down in more detail to understand their importance and how they work together to create a robust strategy. Timing is everything. In the fast-paced world of trading, Knowing when to enter and exit a position can make all the difference. I use simple yet powerful technical indicators like the Relative Strength Index or RSI, and moving averages to identify entry and exit points. These tools help me make informed decisions based on market trends and momentum. The RSI helps me spot overbought and oversold conditions, which are critical for timing my trades. When the RSI indicates that an asset is overbought, it might be a good time to sell, and when it shows oversold conditions, it could be an opportune moment to buy. Moving averages, on the other hand, provide insights into trends by smoothing out price data. They help me understand the overall direction of the market, whether it's bullish or bearish, and guide my trading decisions accordingly. Diversification is key. In the unpredictable world of cryptocurrencies, spreading your investments can significantly reduce risk. I spread my investments across a mix of major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are well established and have a strong market presence. Additionally, I invest in promising altcoins. These smaller, lesser-known cryptocurrencies have the potential for high returns, albeit with higher risk. This balanced approach mitigates risk and maximizes potential returns. By diversifying, I ensure that my portfolio is not overly dependent on the performance of a single asset. Calculated risk is crucial. In trading, it's essential to manage risk effectively to protect your capital. I never invest more than 5% of my portfolio in any single trade. This rule helps me avoid significant losses and maintain a healthy balance in my investments. This disciplined approach ensures that even if a trade goes south, it won't wipe out my entire capital. By limiting my exposure, I can weather the ups and downs of the market without jeopardizing my financial stability. These three pillars work in perfect harmony. Each principle complements the others, creating a cohesive and effective strategy. Timing helps me identify opportunities, diversification spreads my risk across various assets, and calculated risk management protects my capital from significant losses. Together they form a comprehensive approach to trading that balances potential rewards with manageable risks. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that anyone can implement. By adhering to these principles, you can navigate the complexities of the market with confidence and increase your chances of success. Let me illustrate my strategy with a real-life example. Last month I noticed that Ethereum, or ETH, was showing bullish signals. The RSI was indicating oversold conditions, and the price had bounced off its 20-day moving average. I decided to invest $5,000 in ETH. My target was to sell when the price reached the next resistance level, which was around 5% higher. I set a stop-loss order at 2% below my entry price to limit potential losses. Within a week, ETH's price surged past my target. I sold my position, securing a tidy $400 profit. This example highlights the power of combining technical analysis with disciplined risk management. Section 5. The Discipline of Diamonds, Patience and Consistency in the Crypto Mines. Cryptocurrency isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The key to success lies in consistency and discipline. It's about sticking to your strategy, even when emotions run high. There will be times when you'll be tempted to chase the latest hype, to FOMO into a coin that's skyrocketing. Resist the urge. Remember, hype fades, but sound strategies endure. Focus on the process, not just the profits. Continuously educate yourself, refine your strategy, and never stop learning. The crypto market is constantly evolving, and so should you. Section 6. Forget Lambos, aim for freedom, the true power of crypto profits. For me, crypto isn't about Lambos or mansions. It's about freedom. It's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have the financial security to pursue your passions, support your family, and live life on your own terms. Imagine waking up every day without the dread of debt or financial insecurity. Imagine having the resources to travel the world, start your own business, or simply spend more time with loved ones. That's the true power of crypto profits. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of your labor, but never lose sight of the bigger picture. Use your crypto gains to build a secure future, one where financial freedom is a reality, not just a dream. Section 7, Beyond the Hype, Building a Secure Future with Crypto. Cryptocurrency is more than just a speculative asset. It's a revolutionary technology with the potential to reshape our financial system. From decentralized finance to NFTs, the possibilities are endless. As you delve deeper into the world of crypto, you'll discover its true potential. You'll learn about projects that are solving real-world problems, empowering individuals, and creating a more inclusive financial future. Embrace the transformative power of crypto. Educate yourself, explore different projects, and become part of this exciting revolution. The future of finance is here, and it's decentralized. Section 8. Your crypto adventure awaits. Take the first step today. The world of cryptocurrency can seem daunting at first, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to start small, learn continuously, and never be afraid to ask questions. There are countless resources available to guide you on your crypto journey. From online courses to community forums, you'll find a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. Take the first step today. Open a crypto exchange account, start with a small investment, and begin exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Your financial future awaits. Gap 3S, Section 9, Advanced Crypto Trading Strategies. In this chapter, we'll explore advanced crypto trading strategies that can help you maximize your profits. First, we'll dive into the world of technical analysis. Understanding how to read charts, identify patterns, and use indicators can give you a significant edge in the market. We'll cover popular tools like moving averages, RSI, and MACD, and show you how to interpret them effectively. Next, we'll discuss market trends. Knowing when to buy and sell is crucial, and being able to identify bullish and bearish trends can greatly enhance your trading decisions. We'll explore strategies for spotting trend reversals and how to capitalize on market momentum. Finally, we'll look at leveraging different trading tools to stay ahead of the game. From automated trading bots to advanced order types, there are numerous tools available to help you optimize your trades and manage risk. We'll provide some expert tips and tricks that can take your crypto trading to the next level. Stay tuned and get ready to elevate your trading skills. The crypto market is full of opportunities, and with the right strategies, you can maximize your profits and achieve your financial goals. Gap 3S. Let's dive in and start mastering these advanced techniques today. Gap 3S. Now that you've learned the basics and some advanced strategies, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. In this chapter, we'll discuss how to create a personalized trading plan, set realistic goals, and manage your portfolio effectively. First, let's talk about the importance of a trading plan. A well-defined trading plan serves as your roadmap, guiding your decisions and keeping your emotions in check. Start by assessing your financial situation and risk tolerance. Define your investment goals, whether it's short-term gains or long-term growth. Next, set realistic and achievable goals. It's crucial to have clear objectives, such as a specific percentage return on investment or a target amount of profit within a set time frame. Break down these goals into smaller, manageable milestones to track your progress. Once your goals are in place, it's time to develop your trading strategy. This involves choosing the right assets, determining your entry and exit points, and setting stop-loss and take-profit levels. Utilize the technical analysis tools and market trends we discussed earlier to inform your decisions. Portfolio management is equally important. Diversify your investments to spread risk across different assets. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio based on market conditions and your performance. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, and staying adaptable is key to success. Finally, maintain consistency and discipline. Stick to your trading plan, avoid impulsive decisions, and continuously educate yourself. The crypto market is ever evolving, and staying informed will give you a competitive edge. Gap 3S. By crafting a personalized trading plan and adhering to it, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals in the crypto market. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and watch your investments grow. Your journey to crypto success starts now.